everybody. Just another normal day. So today is the Holi Festival. Holi, H-O-L-I, not holy like religious. Well, it is a Holi Festival, but it's also the Holi Festival. So today is and the Holi Festival. What you do is you walk the streets and you get these bright colored powder and people rub it on you, throw it at you, squirt it at you in squirt guns. You throw it on them, you rub it on them. It's a big celebration. It's a celebration of spring, the triumph of good over evil. It's just a big party in the streets of Rajasthan. Happy Holi! Happy Holi! So lots of action today. Lots of action today. Yes, yes, happy Holi! Come, brother, come. Happy Holi. Happy Holi. Wish you very happy Holi. You too, thank you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Happy Holi! Hey! Okay, so the goggles were unnecessary, but a good piece of advice is close your mouth when people approach you, because they put that stuff right in your mouth. It does not taste nice. I got doused in green. I made the mistake of opening my bag and letting him put his hand in my bag. Really? And that was about half the color gone. Hey, look at me, I'm all green. He's like, scoop, boom. Hey man, that's how it goes here at the Holi Festival. It is a festival of giving and caring, okay?
Yes, but as a woman, I wouldn't recommend if you're solo traveling as a woman, don't go alone.
That's a good point.
Seriously.
It could be an excuse to go, oh, happy Holi, and then, you know.
Grab here and there.
Yes. I would say later on in the day when people start drinking the Bang Lassi, there'll be a lot more craziness. But right now it's still early, so it's still very safe, very fun. Cool. So here's where the festival is really getting hot as town, hot as town. Okay, I've decided to leave Ivana here for 5 minutes and go party in the mess, the mosh pit. Let's go!
इलायची का अरे लौंगा इलायची का भाई इलायची लौंगा इलायची का caught my attention. Look how beautiful Ivana looks. Oh my gosh, just so beautiful. You know, it's just so pretty. Smiling, your hair is all different colors. Really amazing. I think Ivana is more popular than me. I wonder why. Okay? Say hello, YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
Say happy Holi.
Happy Holi.
One thing I wanted to note, I don't want you guys to think we've been filming every time someone comes and puts color on us. It's happened like 50 times or 60 times.
Every second.
Every 10 seconds someone comes up. So it's not just a few people. Whew, what a festival. What a party.
Crazy.
It's crazy. It's about 1 o'clock, 1:30. We're gonna be done partying for today.
Man. That was tiring,
It's
especially
tiring.
when people are grabbing you, wanting to take selfie every second. Wow.
Yes.
Cool, man.
So
So for the rest of the day, we got to clean ourselves up, see if we can save these clothes, and then we'll see what we get up to for the rest of the day. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. We just showered up. Now we're all cleaned up. If you look closely, you'll see that the purple doesn't seem to go away. So I've got these cool suspenders on, or like an old school holster for a gun in that movie, right? Looks cool.
I got some right here. I don't know if you can see.
Yeah.
And on my face, I got a small mustache. I covered it with makeup right now.
Ivana's got a purple mouth like she's been drinking grape juice or something. I think our clothes will be okay. They look like they became, you know, clean again, washed.
I threw out my top.
Ivana's top, she just threw in the garbage. She didn't even try to clean it, man.
No, it's white.
That's
it's
okay. So thanks for watching. Click over here. It'll be most recent video so you can see where we are now. Let's end our video on our 360 shot, even though nothing cool behind us. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Didn't even know that was there. Mural in the back of the hostel. Bye, everyone.